Hi, I'm Natalie Angina, a civil engineer at G. Douglas Vallee Limited. Our firm was retained by Norfolk County to design, tender, and oversee the full reconstruction of Colborne Street from Wyndham Street to Robinson Street. The project included full replacement of all sanitary, storm, and water main infrastructure. And due to the length of the project, it was divided into 2 phases, with construction of Phase 1 in 2023 and the second phase in 2024. A key requirement of this project was adhering to a strict completion deadline in order to have the road reopened for the Simcoe Christmas panorama. Take a look at the complete transformation of Phase 2 of this project from start to finish.